How to check for corrupt Windows 10 system files. Open Command Prompt by typing in Search CMD. Click Run as administrator. Type in DISM /online /cleanup image /CheckHealth. Hit the Enter key. Windows will scan for corrupt system files across the system. Patiently wait for it to finish, and there it is. Thank God, there is no corrupt file on my personal computer. And that is how you scan for corrupt system files. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video.